Hello friends, this is me Neha Chansu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing MISSHA Jellish Lip Slip tint in shade Stunning. It claims that non-sticky tint with jelly texture for fuller looking lips, rich color with shimmering pearl, contains vitamin E and seed oil complex for keeping lips moist and glowing. The packaging is very nude and minimalistic type. Love it. The shade name and color is printed on the box. The tint or gloss itself has a square body with nude color on top, which has gradient effect and turns transparent on the end that shows color of tint itself. Bottom part has all the information printed on it. It is made of high quality plastic. It has a unique double-sided applicator. One side is silicone tip for natural finish and other is sponge tip for volume and shine. It has faint smell though. The tint is pigmented and jelly-like. It has blue and silver glitters in it that gives prism effect. One swipe gives a very pigmented color, but once blended, the color shears out. It's not sticky at all. Stunning is a bright pink color shade that has glitter or shimmer particles. It reflects light and shines from different angles. If you are into glossy tints, then I will recommend this one. 4x5 from my side, but -1 for reapplying it again and again for the color to show. This is me Neha Chansu signing off. Bye.